blessed day. You know Tiff is not good at intros. Okay. So, spent another $50 and I ain't mad about it. Maybe my husband is. No more of that. Your girl is here to provide you cheap, good makeup. I went on Sephora this weekend to try to look for like the Hourglass Veil setting powder, and it was $60 or something. It's something crazy. I mean, don't quote me. I completely lied. It was $46, the setting powder. But why would we pay $46? It may be a good powder. I'm not denying that because I've never tried it. But why would we do that when we have drugstore powders that just work phenomenal? I'm just going to put some of this primer on to prime my face. So, went to Ulta, spent like a little bit over $50, like 55, 56 bucks. And you girls are here to see what I got. And we're going to apply them, duh. Did get these. I don't know if I'm not gonna put these on today, but aren't these thebomb.com? Okay, so I'm gonna be applying this eyeshadow, $7 by Makeup Revolution. It's the Reloaded Neutrals 2. How about that? Who is excited, people? Woo! Let's get pumped up for makeup. I'm currently in the house by myself. My husband is still working, and Haley Bug is playing with her BFF Maddie, and my wonderful best friend Taylor is just watching them. God bless her soul. All right, I have a knife. I am home with the dog, so if you hear toys, okay, I got it open. Ooh, that's pretty. $7. Even if these aren't the best, that's still cheaper than like Maybelline and L'Oreal. So I'm gonna go in with foundation. I always self-tan, so my foundation is kind of dark. It's LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. And I got this in beige. It seemed very dark. So I also picked up the white mix-in LA Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. It's in white. I got the white because obviously if my self-tanner wears off or I need to lighten any of my foundations from summer, I'm normally very dark in summer, so a lot of my foundations are dark. So if I want to wear them, I just spit. So if I want to wear them this winter, I feel like this white can lighten it up and I can actually wear it. So I'm super excited. Okay, I just realized this. Son of a biscuit. I'm just gonna tell you the rest of what I got. So I got the eyeshadow palette, 2 foundations, and I got 2 concealers. But I've heard so many good things about these concealers that I need to try them. I got this famous Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It's a micro fine mist, sets liquids and powder makeup with a radiant finish. I already showed you the lashes. BH Studio Concealer. I have tried BH brushes, eyeshadows, and they used to have a brow pencil that was just thebomb.com. The best brow pencil I've ever used in my whole life for like $3, and they discontinued that. Shame on you, BH. I've been hearing so stinking much about the Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. Next up, I got this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage and Conceal. They're only numbers. They're not like light, medium, nothing like that. So I got C5. So anything lighter than C5 was very, very, very light. Like C1 was practically white. So if you're shopping online and I can help you at all, you're welcome. Ooh, so this has the doe foot applicator. Guys, this is kind of dark, I think. But I'm still gonna try it. I'm gonna try this one today just so we can see if it's too dark, so I can help you guys find a shade online if you guys are shopping online. Going in here, let's get started. Let's get pumped. Let's get jammed. Or let's jam. I'm so sorry I'm so nasally. The sinuses are out of control. So I primed my face already with that e.l.f. primer. I've been loving it. It's what we used 2 weeks ago when we did our Walmart haul. Ooh, it's very runny. This is the, and it does look really dark. I'm gonna use my Precision Face by Bare Minerals. It's actually not that bad, guys. Not as bad as I was thinking, to be dead honest. It kind of does have a, what would we call that? An orangey, not orangey, I don't know. It has some kind of tint to it. But for me, it matches my tanner pretty dang well. So if you're ordering this online through the LA Girl, I have beige. This is GLM 646 and it's pretty freaking dark, especially for winter. So just remember that when you're ordering. That was pretty good coverage. It's a medium coverage and it feels so natural and so light. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing foundation at all. I absolutely love this stuff. I definitely do think this is a dupe for my Forever HD, which I'm obsessed with also. Where is that? Makeup Forever HD. So then you have this. Using that Makeup Revolution with a little doe foot. Heard a lot of good things about this. Ooh, it's very thick. A little goes a long way. Ooh, that feels great. I'm going to go in with my wet beauty blender. This is an off-brand of the beauty blender. I just got it off eBay and got lucky because it is pretty squishy. I'm going to get this set right away with a powder because I don't know like if it's going to crease or how it's going to wear. So going in with, of course, my Jehoa, whatever this powder is from CVS. I'm going in and I'm setting that down. T-zone. And I'm going to go in with this smaller brush and set the eyelid so that we can go in with our $7 shadows. All right. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm kind of shooketh right now. This stuff is amazing. This is definitely a dupe for my Makeup Forever foundation. It is sitting so good on the skin. I don't know how long it lasts, so that's definitely going to have to like play a part in this. But oh my gosh, and the concealer. It's not too light. It's actually the perfect tone because sometimes my concealer's a little too light. I'm loving this. I love the concealer. It didn't crease. I set it down right away with that powder, but I'm obsessed. Okay, big fluffy brush here. And I'm going to go in here with the Makeup Revolution. Okay. This is pigmented. This is like a neutral crease color, but it's kind of coming off pink. Do you guys see that? Okay, okay, okay. That is looking phenomenal. And let's go a little bit higher with our transition color. I think I said crease color earlier, but I meant transition, and I know you girls probably know that. Also, when I do my eyeshadow on a daily basis, you're going to see me come down here a lot. It's just already blending this because I like to fan it out. Every eye shape is different. Every person is different. Every makeup look is going to be different. However, I really like to fan this out. So this is the top of my bone here above my crease. And I love to go from the top of this bone down. Now, I know when to start cutting in here and how far to go down because I use this outer corner of my eye. So you'll see me drag that down there. Again, I'm still in this really light pink color. Do you see how much pigmentation we're already getting from this eyeshadow palette? It's insane. $7 in the inside here. Normally I keep that white, but today we're going to be a little adventurous. Use this Avon. This is an actual crease brush. And you're going to watch us go in here with the orange. And it's showing up a lot more orange on my camera. It is not this orange, but it is very, very orangey. Okay, so you see, I'm only keeping it from here down. I'm not going to go up anywhere near the bone that goes in between my crease and the brow, because it's just going to all mix together, and that's pointless. So, and I'm focusing it more on here to here, here to here. Again, keep it low, people. And I went in a little bit far, but I want here to here, here to here. Ho, 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 wishing you a Merry Christmas. And I'm gonna bring it down. Again, I'm gonna bring it down to that lower line, get this hair out of my mouth. Okay, so we're just fogging that right here. You can even go all the way down here, especially with this crease brush. It's pretty defined. I'm gonna take that orange all the way down there. And this is coming down pretty close to my lash line, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so very pigmented, but I do see that I'm going to have to blend these two colors together. So let's see how they blend. I'm going back in with my transition brush that I have. I'm not putting any new shadow on this brush. I'm just blending. So I'm going to hold it low. I am also very excited. I am a member of Young Living. I love my oils. I have been trying out some of this mineral makeup, and I'm actually really liking it for a no makeup look, or like more of a powdery makeup, like Bare Minerals does a lot of powder makeup. I'm very excited to tell you guys that I am partnering up with my upline, Janet, and she is helping me get some of the extra products that I don't have so that I can do a full face Young Living makeup coming soon. So you guys need to stay tuned for that, because I really think it's gonna change your life. It's not only natural, no makeup looking makeup, it's all natural. It's healthy for you. It doesn't have those chemicals and all that harsh fragrance and chemicals that are in all this makeup I'm putting on. So stay tuned. Now I just want to, now that we've added those colors, they blended just fine. They did take some of the pigment away, but guys, this is a $7 eyeshadow palette. I'm not too concerned about it. There isn't a lot of dark in this palette, so we're not going to do a smoky eye, but I am going to darken the outside with, now this is glitter, so I'm not going to go in with that. I'm going to do the matte, and I'm going to tuck it in and make a triangle. Okay, that, because I know my camera was out of focus. I'm going to tuck it in, make a triangle. And okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but this brush is like fluffy, but it's pointed. So here we go. I'm going to actually bring that all the way in, and I'm going to make a straight line. This is just going to give our eyes dimension. If you guys have ever seen a cut crease, which we will do here soon on my channel, you will see you're just defining that crease, and that's exactly what we're doing by bringing it all the way in there. This is crazy. It's going to be fine, because in the end, it's all going to blend together. Speaking of blending, we need to get in here. Okay, I'm going to use this Butter London Glazin eyeliner. I'm not going to do a wing liner. I am just going to do some eyeliner. Nice and close to that line. Re-dip. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and just plump up my lashes using some They're Real and possibly some Marc Jacobs, whatever I can get my hands on. Possibly some Flower Beauty, possibly some Extreme Clinique. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I hope you guys see that now that I have my mascara on the top and the bottom and we have that eyeliner, the eye look doesn't look so scary. I am throwing on chocolate scented lipstick from, again, my Walmart haul. If you haven't seen it, you better watch it. Some Hoola bronzer. Yeah, Hoola. I think I said Huda bronzer in one of my videos, but you know what, girl, we just go with it. I'm going to go in with my MAC blush brush, and I'm just going to add this. Ooh, we're going to have to define this just a little bit because this foundation is a little bit dark. So as you can see, I did bronze my face, but I don't have a lot of contour. So So we're gonna go in with my Morphe, just a little bit more defined brush. Suck that face in like fish lips. There it is. There's the contour. That's what makes her double chin disappear. I also have this Fenty Beauty sample of the Starstruck, and my daughter ate half of it. She's fine, so it wasn't poisonous. And I'm going to just rub that using my finger because it's kind of liquidy into my nose, onto the top of my lip here. Oh yeah. You know what? We have this highlighted, this little glitter shade here. Let's see. Let's see if this could be a highlighter. Let's just go with it. What do we have to lose? Nothing. Going on with my fluffy highlighter brush. It worked. Do you guys see that? This is insane. Okay. Went to Ulta, went to their drugstore section to get some cheaper makeup. I succeeded. I did not get as much as I did at Walmart for the price, but overall, I got a dupe. So just in the dupe alone, the foundation alone, let's look up Forever. So real quick, that retails for $43, and I got my LA Girl HD for $8.99. $8.99, so $43.99 compared to $8.99. I would say it is a steal. I feel like you are running away with stolen products. You're not, you're paying for it, but it feels like it's stolen because it's so cheap though. Oh my goodness. The famous setting spray. We almost forgot the setting spray. All right, here it goes. Oh my gosh, I've just been misted. There is no spots that it clung to. Kind of obsessed. Okay, so overall, this little Ulta haul or new products, cheap, affordable, that's what your girl's about. Yo, spirit finger. Bye.